Over the years, I have driven along Juja Farm Road countless times, and one thing has always caught my attention. These old buildings that look like they are from the colonial era. I'm someone who is fascinated by history, and I consider myself a student of history. Every time I pass these places, I can't help but wonder about the stories behind them. If you live around this area or know its history, I would love to hear from you in the comment section. The first one is just after the speed bump, opposite the new garage that was recently built. It looks like there may have once been a school here. There's also a big field, and these buildings actually resemble old municipal or government staff houses. Further ahead, just past the new Choma place, there's another interesting property hidden in the forest. It looks like old colonial era manor house sitting right in the middle of the trees. I don't know whether you can see them. Then there are these other buildings just after Ruby's petrol station. They actually look even older than this place itself. And finally, there are these others that are just opposite the Cornerbrook School. They resemble old colonial era servant quarters or workhouse. I've always been curious about these places and the history behind them. If anyone knows when they were built, who lived there, or what they were originally used for, please share the story in the comment section. I would genuinely love to learn more.